Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Robinhood account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find Robinhood's wire transfer information? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need Robinhood's wire transfer information anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that having the cash sit in your bank, you could be losing buying power just by inflation. So a lot of times you want to transfer that money into your Robinhood to buy securities. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Robinhood dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Robinhood account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need the Robinhood wire transfer information, here on the top right, you're going to click on account. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on transfers. It looks like a little bank icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this menu down here, and you want to click on send a wire transfer. Okay, once you do that, you want to click here on from your bank. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the wire transfer details that you're going to need from Robinhood. So recipient name, Robinhood Securities LLC, the address, the account number, the routing number, the bank address. So they do let you know these wire transfer information is only for US banks. There's no limit on the amount that you're going to transfer into Robinhood, and it processes the same day or the next day depending on the cutoff time of your bank and then also Robinhood's bank. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find Robinhood's wire transfer information, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.